Welcome to our guide on crafting compelling book descriptions. Whether you're a seasoned author or new to self-publishing, a well-written description is key to capturing readers' attention and boosting your book's discoverability.
Understanding book metadata is crucial for maximizing your book's visibility. It includes essential details like title, author, and description, which help readers and retailers find your book through relevant search terms. A good book description serves multiple purposes. It's not just about informing readers, it's also about optimizing search engines to ensure your book appears in relevant queries, increasing its chances of being discovered. When writing a book description, think like a buyer. Use simple, consumer-friendly language to convey what your book is about. This helps potential readers decide if your book is right for them. Structure your long book description with a punchy headline, detailed exposition, and a strong close. This approach not only informs but also entices readers, making them eager to learn more about your book. The short book description acts as a hook, providing just enough information to intrigue readers. It's used in marketing materials and online platforms to draw attention and encourage further exploration. Both long and short descriptions are vital for marketing and sales. They work together to provide comprehensive information, helping potential buyers make informed decisions about purchasing your book. Research is key when crafting book descriptions. Identify keywords your target audience searches for and incorporate them into your descriptions to attract the right readers and enhance your book's visibility. Avoid time-sensitive language in your descriptions to keep them relevant. Instead, focus on timeless elements that highlight your book's unique selling points and appeal to a broad audience. Use formatting tools like bold and italics to emphasize key aspects of your book. This helps break up text and makes important information stand out, making your description more engaging and readable. Remember, your book description is your pitch. It's your chance to make a lasting impression on potential readers and search engines alike. A well-crafted description can significantly impact your book's success. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering book descriptions. With these tips, you're well-equipped to create compelling descriptions that captivate readers and boost your book's discoverability. Happy writing!